So no matter how pretty your centerpiece is, if you plop it in the middle of a blank table, then it will look a bit underwhelming. So you always want to zhuzh it up a little bit, and you don't have to go to great expense to do that. Now we have some links below, Tablecloth Factory, eFavor Mart, our Amazon store, where you can easily buy votives and runners. And that's really important because when you invest all this money into creating this beautiful centerpiece, you want it to be augmented with some design. Now there isn't really any limits to how elaborate you can make it, but I think that you can do a lot with a little, and that's what we're going to show you today. So Jess is going to help me style out this table so you can see us get the most for the centerpiece. So we probably completed this for less than $15. This chiffon runner is really inexpensive. You can find it on eFavor or Tablecloth Factory for a few dollars a piece. These are just really inexpensive votives that you can find on our Amazon store or at Walmart. And then we just have a few bud vases. So we're just flanking this nice floral runner with 2 bud vases on each side, so 4 total. We had some broken stems, so basically we're using the scraps and the trash at the end to fill up these bud vases to extend the design. And it's nice because it completes the design, but it's not so much that people can't sit at this table and have their plates and their drinks, but they all still have something beautiful to look at. So keep that in mind when you're designing and you're thinking through your designs, that a centerpiece on a cream tablecloth probably is going to be a bit underwhelming, so take that extra step and zhuzh it.